The energy revolution is happening right now, and it's not happening in Silicon Valley. It's happening in China, with a company called Eve Energy. They've been quietly mastering the art of the lithium-ion battery for almost a century, powering devices and systems for major companies all over the globe. But yesterday, they didn't just take a step forward. They made a gigantic, history-making leap. They officially inaugurated a brand new, state-of-the-art production base in Chengdu, China, dedicated entirely to the holy grail of energy storage. All solid-state batteries. And to prove it wasn't just a ribbon-cutting ceremony, they literally rolled the very first of these next-gen cells off their new production line. This isn't a lab prototype, people. This is a battery born on a factory floor. This new cell is called the Longquan II, and its specs are absolutely wild. We're talking about a 10 Ah all-solid-state battery with an energy density pushing 300 watt-hours per kilogram. Let me translate that for you. That's incredibly powerful and incredibly dense for a battery that is inherently safer and more stable than the traditional liquid-based lithium-ion cells we use today. But get this, Eve isn't stopping there. They've already pledged to throw everything they have at R&D to hit a mind-blowing $400 watt Chengdu by 2025. That's a number that seriously changes the game for everything. Eve is targeting the absolute cutting edge: humanoid robots, high-performance drones, and advanced AI computing equipment. These are the technologies that are bottlenecked by power. They need massive energy in tiny, safe packages to truly become autonomous and useful. Eve is literally building the power source for the next era of automation. While this specific announcement and the Longquan II cell seem focused on high-tech applications beyond EVs, for now, the implications are massive. This facility is their industrialization proving ground. The first phase, finishing this December, will be churning out these 60A and Longquan II cells. Then, Phase 2 kicks in, aiming for a monstrous annual capacity of 500,000 cells, or 100 milliwatt, by the end of 2026. This is how you scale a technology. Last year, an Eve executive stated point-blank that they plan to launch all solid-state batteries for Chinese passenger cars, starting with hybrids in 2026. That's not a decade away. That's basically tomorrow in automotive development time. While other companies are still showing off lab prototypes, Eve Energy has a dedicated factory that is already producing working cells. They are moving from research to mass production, right before our eyes. This is the beginning of a seismic shift in energy technology, and it's going to power everything from the drones in our skies to the robots in our factories and, very soon, the cars on our roads. The future is solid state, and it's rolling off a production line in Chengdu today. This is huge. What do you think the first application we'll see this in will be? Let me know down in the comments.